Hi guys, good
Hi, Tony.
morning. What day today?
I think it's Thursday. No,
Thursday.
Friday.
Friday?
Friday.
Oh, Friday. Good morning
There
guys.
it is. Three.
Good morning and good afternoon, good evening sa lahat.
It is 3.
Travel na po tayo guys. Nandito kami sa Airport Terminal 2 ng Manila. So, travel tayo ng papunta ng Dipolog, Zamboanga del Norte. Dito kami sa loob. Check-in na po kami guys. Good morning. Tacloban po. Naghanap sila ng passenger sa para Tacloban. Nawawala yung passenger nila guys. Ayan. Ito ang maganda dito kasi alam niyo sila. That is nice here because yes, have a passenger. I think that is get inside. They have announced. So just lucky because have some people to announce. Oh, where is the Tacloban? So nandito kami guys. Nag-waiting kami sa aming flight. Alas 5 pa ang flight namin. Pa lang, 3:30 pa lang. So dito muna kami hintay.
I never checked it. I wanted to have flight Davao to
Yeah.
I do? Davao to Dipolog.
Dipolog Davao? I think I don't know.
Because anyway, they definitely have Dipolog anyway.
I did not know. It happened. But it's Davao nice place.
Okay.
Sal ko, tawag ka ni Uncle. Dito kami guys. Wala kaming tulog.
Flight Dipolog Davao.
Ang dami passenger din dito.
They
Ayan.
ever flight Dipolog Davao?
Maganda dito sa domestic kasi ang dami nilang pwede ka mag-charge dito
There must be flight.
Iloilo din. Wala yung passenger nila guys, papuntang Iloilo at saka Davao din yung iba. Ay, Bacolod.
I think Davao is the cleanliest.
Yeah, they
Ayan,
reckon.
may mga sila pwede ka mag-charge dito. Sa sa international kay kaunti lang ang pwedeng mag-charge, mayroon pero kaunti lang. Pero dito ang dami pwede ka mag-charge. Biyahe tayo na papuntang Dipolog. Say hi. Balik na kami dito sa Pilipinas.
Traveller.
Yeah.
How's my traveller? International
Good.
traveller.
How's the traveler? He's good. Waiting kami. Wala kami dito sa gate namin. Iba tong gate. Ang daming umuwi ng Dipolog. Kaya wala kami maupuan. Dito kami nakikiupo sa ibang upuan. Ibang gate. Philippine Airlines po tayo. Yan natin. Ano yung naupo? May piso. Sa lahat passenger. Ang dami din palang passenger dito sa domestic. Ay, bird. Bird,
Yeah,
no?
little birdie.
Little bird. Get inside. Kapasok yung little bird. Ano siya? Parang Maya, brown.
He seems to know where he is because he's.
Maya.
There we go. Flying up down there.
Where? No, it's there. It's going there.
Yeah, no, he just flew off.
I cannot go
He
out.
comes back again. He's all over the place. But he's grabbing you.
Siguro, hindi yung nakalabas kasi nakasalamin yan eh.
He seems to know how to get in and out.
Ang daming mga passenger.
Ang pinto sa boarding.
Siguro. Daming pasahero. Oh, the aircon is,
Yeah, but wonder what temperature it is. About 23 degrees.
yeah, look at that. That is 3. Here, 4. Oh, that is, oh, using the aircon, this one. Imagine, aircon. That's why it's so cold. A lot of the aircon.
Silly computer, we don't need it down.
Yeah. Ang ano pala nila, aircon dito guys, kasi ang dami yung mga bilog-bilog na yan, aircon pala yan. Kita niyo. Yung nandito sa gitna na, puro mga bilog. Aircon, kaya pala ang lamig-lamig. Ibang klase din ang aircon nila. That is aircon also. That one.
Yeah, yeah.
Ang lamig. Ang lakas ng aircon dito sa Terminal 1. Ay, Terminal 2 pala. Terminal 2.
Supposed to be,
Domestic.
it's not normal, it's humid, but it's not humid at all.
Hmm.
It's like a window.
Yeah. What time now? 4 o'clock? Not yet. Punta na kami sa gate namin ngayon guys. Mag alas 4 na. Kasi magbo-boarding na yan. Tatlong linggo na ako hindi nag-upload ng video. Oh, lot of bird. Oh, look at this. Maya. Ang dami nilang pumasok ng bird dito. Ayan sila mamatay dito sa loob. They cannot dead here inside.
I don't know how they get in, but
Because they not eat.
they don't seem to be too afraid. They seem to know how to get out.
Oo nga. Ang daming pumasok ng mga bird. Hindi kaya sila mamatay dito sa loob? Kasi, paano sila makakain? Cannot eat here, outside, or inside.
I think they can get out somewhere.
Ang lakas ng aircon nila dito. Ang lamig. Biruin mo, puro aircon nandito sa gitna. Oh. Ang lalaki ng mga aircon nila guys. Oh, oh yung mga bilog-bilog sa gitna. Hmm? Ang laki. Kaya ang lamig. Nakangati yung ilong ko sa sipon. Sinipon ko dito sa loob ng airport. Ganda rin pala. Ang tagal ko na hindi nakapag-ano dito. Sa Terminal 2. Kasi Terminal 3 lang kami lagi. Tapos Cebu. Ano na din. Ang tagal. Since 2017. Last namin na kinasayo pamangkin ko. Last na yung 2017. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-ano dito balik. Sa ano na to. Terminal 2. 17, 18, 19, 20, dito. 23, 24, 5, 6, 9 years. My God, 9 years na pala ako na ano, hindi naka ano dito sa Terminal 2. Pati ng ilong ko. Ang daming bakanting upuan dito kasi ano. Yung mga tao ayaw mag-upo dito ba? Na ano naman to, hintayanan. Yung matagal pa mag-fly. Ito pala ang ano nila sa Philippine Airlines. Uniform ng mga stewardess. And ganda nila guys. Boarding na kami. Listo kayo sila, oh. Boarding na kami pa Dipolog. Philippine Airlines pala dito at saka AirAsia. Pero yung AirAsia, hindi natin alam kung saan ang biyahin yan. Philippine Airlines and AirAsia here. But AirAsia, where are we going? Domestic. What place? What? AirAsia Airlines. Because that is only two here. Terminal 2. Philippine Airlines and AirAsia Airlines. Last na tayo. Yan, mga 3, 2 to 1 yan sila. Yeah, boarding lang. We're boarding. That is AB. Our group is C. The last. Yeah. C. Yep. Huh? Yeah. C. Group C. Boarding na kami.
Dipolog po, Dipolog.
Thank you. Boarding na kami. Ano ba yung upuan ko? 55C. 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 May set. Ilak ko muna yung ano. Kunin ko na lang yung aking boarding pass. Boarding pass. Okay, ano ba? Thank you. Yan pala yung ano nila, oh. Sa labas. Lakas na talaga ng ano nila ay. Ang lakas ng ano nila ay aircon. May baba din pala sila. Dito na tayo, guys. Sakay na kami sa Philippine Airlines. Marami din palang pasahero. Cebu Pacific. Eh. Umurong sila, oh. Haba ah. Salat passenger. Salat passenger. It's more and more. More and more. Ang daming passenger din pala papunta ng Dipolo guys. Haba namin.
Dito yung kusina rin. As of the moment, we're just
Guys,
waiting
nandito
for
na
one
kami
more
sa loob
turning
ng
passenger for this flight.
airlines.
Please bear with us. Thank you.
Dito na kami sa Philippine Airlines.
We're looking for passenger
daming
Estrella
passenger, pero hindi pa
Roger.
rin
Once again,
nakapunta.
Roger Estrella, if you're on
Haba
board,
pala
please
sa Philippine
acknowledge.
Airlines. Cabin. Ang haba pala itong Philippine Airlines. This airlines is so low. Low. This airlines is low. Private airlines. Yeah, long plane. Ang haba pala nito. Mahaba na plane. May music man.
On for Dipolo. We expect to depart on schedule at 5 o'clock this morning. Flight time is approximately an hour and 10 minutes. We'll climb to our cruising altitude of 33,000 feet. We expect partly cloudy skies en route to Dipolo. As of now, our estimated arrival time in Dipolo is at 6:08 this morning. And time now is 4:42 in the morning. We care for your safety. Please take your assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure. Keep your seatbelts fastened at all times, as we may experience unexpected turbulence during the flight. We will update you with the latest arrival information as we get closer to our destination. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay!
Ang daming bakante guys na upuan. Ay, napakataas naman pala nito ng airlines na to. Kaya hindi talaga makapuno kahit marami kami. Dipolog lang. Ang daming bakanteng upuan. Ang napakahaba pa naman pala itong airlines na to, Philippine Airlines. Ang haba. Nung sinakyan namin na Philippine Airlines to Magiti to Manila kasi maliit lang siya. Hindi katulad dito, napakahaba ito. Ang layo ng pinto. Nandito kami sa gitna. Ayan, exit pa yan o, sa likod. Malayo pa kami kasi yung upuan namin ay 55. So ilang tao pa lang laman dito sa isang airlines. Ay napakahaba.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ang
Ano?
puso po namin kayo tinatanggap dito sa Lipad PR2B2557 patungong Dipolo. Mabuhay.
Philippine Airlines or the Filipino welcomes you on board your PRW2557 bound for Dipolog. Our pilot and command is Captain Eli here. This is Nico, your lead cabin crew. Our estimated flying time is approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Ayan guys, ilan sila.
We
ang
will now
mga
be showing you the safety features of this aircraft. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle. Pull free end to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passenger
Water. Ocean.
Ocean. Malapit na tayo guys, arrival. Mababa na ang aeroplano. Ayun, kita na yung dagat doon, oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Your landing stations. Ayan guys, lumapag na tayo. Welcome to Dipolog. Welcome back. Good morning, Dipolog. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Dipolog.
The local time for your convenience is 16 minutes past the hour of 6 in the morning.
Right.
Mabuhay! Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin.
Mabuhay.
Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. Para sa maayos na pagbaba mula eroplano, manatili lamang sa inyong mga upuan at hintayin ang mga tagubilin para sa inyong maayos na paglabas. Sa sandaling tayo ay mabigyan ng pahintulot, ating sisimulan ang pagbaba mula sa eroplano. Bibigyang prioridad ang mga pasaherong may connecting flights. Kung kayo ay nangangailangan ng tulong, lumapit lamang sa inyong mga cabin crew at ground staff. Muli, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Philippine Airlines.
Remain seated until your roll numbers have been...
Hindi pa pala ready. Hindi pa pala ready tapos nagtayuan na sila. Sobrang excited.
Cabin crew, check doors are disarmed. Doors may be open.
Ayan. Ayun, ready na. Ayan, ready na. Ay, kanina sobrang sila excited. Hindi pa nga, hindi pa nag-iilaw. Nagtayuan na sila ng parang bagahe. Yung luggage nila. Ayan na yung magkarga ng luggage. Dipolog guys. Dito na naman tayo sa Pilipinas. Makulimlim dito. 6:15. Daming mga foreigners dito guys. So, wanted. Wala pang anak ko. Di pa nakababa. Ayun. Daming mga foreigners dito na masyal sa Dipolog. Yes. Do you think they have somebody surprise?
No. No, had to smell a rat. Had to.
You think that is Kobe and Jomar, they knows we will be
I
here.
reckon so.
Di na to surprise. Welcome to Dipolog. Si uncle mo ang walang kuan luggage. Walang hangkiri bag siya na no, yan daming lang hangkiri bag oh. Hindi pa naman magalaw yung kabilang ano niya, balikat. Ay ano, siko. Kamay pala. Nandun na yung aming bagahe oh. Sa ay hindi pala yung amin. Dito na tayo sila. Wow. Ano yan? Mga porter. Honey, you wait here. I just get the luggage. Here. Or there. The side. Come here. Dito tayo sa kabila. Ay, sorry. Tagsaramin. Napertiran. Dito tayo. Oh, ako din eh. Sorry. Kunin ko muna yung...
Anyway, come on. Put that.
Oh. Nandito na ba kaya yung ating sundo? Laptop lang ang kunin nila eh. Oh. Yip, yip. Where they cannot come yet? Ha? Wala eh. Sinabihan na namin na maaari sila alas 6. Kay 6:30 ang ano, arrival. Kailangan na alas 6 sila. Kaya nga sabi ko alas 6 nandito na sila.
Give him a go.
Ganda ng view dito